On this tutorial, I will be discussing on how to get the sum of the elements in the array. Now, let's say we have an int array items with the values of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we were asked to get the total sum of the elements in the array. Let's first initialize sum equals 0 and then a for loop starting from the first index to the last index I plus plus, and then sum plus equal array items I. Now, on this part, we can visualize this as sum equals 0 starting from 0 plus the first index in the array, which is 1. 0 plus 1 equals 1, and then sum equals 1 plus on the second index, which is 2, plus 2 equals 3. Now sum equals 3 plus on the third index, which is 3. 3, so that will be 3 plus 3, 6. Sum equal 6 plus on the fourth index, 4 equals 10. Sum equals 10 plus on the last index, which is 5. So the total sum of the elements on this array is 15. Now, we should be getting a sum value of 15. Now, let's see. Now, as you can see, we did get a sum value of 15. Now, let's say we're asked to input elements in the array and then get the total sum of that elements in the array. Now, we will first start by importing a scanner, util that scanner, and then let's set a fixed size on the array, 5, then scanner, scanner is new, scanner, system.in, and then scanner dot close. Okay, let's start with enter 5 integers. Now, let's accept an input. So we can do that by doing a for loop starting from the first index to the last index I plus plus, and then let's for let's first format a string. So enter item slash d basically means this just accepts an integer. So and, and then I plus 1. So scanner, okay, array items I is equal to scanner that next in. Okay, that's right. So why enter item 1? Because starts from 0 and then I plus 1. So 0 plus 1 is 1. So enter item 1, and then 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we did get a sum value of 15. And that is how you get the total sum of the elements in the array.